Welcome students, 11th standard chemistry unit 14 haloalkanes and haloarenes பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்த sections chemical properties of haloarenes. Generally you know the structure of haloarenes. That is a benzene ring. The benzene ring is having a alternated double bonded and each carbon having a one hydrogen atom. So this hydrogen will be is replaced by generally halogens. That is a RL. That is name of the compound is a AR and X. General represents the haloarenes. But that is the CX bond will be is a very shorter. So it's a stronger bond. So generally the haloalkenes do not directly react with the nucleophilic substitution reactions. First of all, we are taking the chemical properties divided into two categories. Reaction involving in the halogen atom. Halogen atomோட reactions என்னென்ன இருக்கு, otherwise benzene ringoட என்னென்ன reactions இருக்கு அப்படி நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். First you are taking the halogen atomோட reactions. So you are taking the first reaction is aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the aromatic arenes. There is aromatic arenes. Arene group is directly attached with the halogens. So the CX bond will be is a very shorter and then comparatively for very higher. CC bond விட CX bond is a very stronger. So it does not directly undergo the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So having some external force, that is a temperature, pressure will be is a raised. The temperature will be, pressure is a raised. This nucleophile is easily attached to halogen. This is a replaceable substitution reaction will be carried out. So we are taking the generally first reaction here. This is for chlorobenzene C6H5Cl. The chlorobenzene is a react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So you can good sufficient of temperature will be rise. The temperature will be is having a 302 degrees Celsius through 350 atmospheric pressure. So here what happening here, the sodium is directly react with the chlorine. That replaceable of sodium chloride will be had NaCl will be you got. So remaining will be C6H5OH. That is the benzene ring is directly attached with the O group. So that is name of the compound is a phenol. The name of the compound is phenol. So what are the nucleophile is attached with the halogen groups means that is a alcohol group, amine group and a cyanide group. Understand? This is all a nucleophile because having a negative sign on the upper charge. So first you are taking the simplest reaction. That again I am telling here, that is a chlorobenzene C6H5Cl that react with the sodium hydroxide in the presence of temperature will be 302 degrees Celsius and 350 degree atmospheric pressures. This chlorine and sodium will be directly linked up. So what you get, sodium chloride will be removed and C6H5OH will be formed. There is a benzene ring directly attached with the OH group. That name of the compound is a phenol. So this is a very important reactions. It is also called as a Dawes process. It's very important properties preparation of phenol. Okay, later you see in 12th standard. So again one now you taking another one nucleophile C6H5Cl. The same type of compound ammonia reaction. The temperature will be raised upon 200 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Celsius and 50 atmospheric pressures. Listen carefully. How many ammonia moles I am taking? 2 moles of ammonia I am taking. So 2 moles of ammonia means NH3. This NH3 group will be directly attached with NH3. So what do you form? NH4 will be formed. NH4. This could be a positive charge. This positive charge attached with the chlorine. So chlorine will be form a ammonium chloride. Remaining what will happen? this 3 hydrogen will be reduced, so you get that formula NH2, that is called amine group. This amine is attached with phenyl, so C6H5NH2, that is name of the compound is aniline. Name of the compound is aniline. But we are taking the another important reaction C6H5Cl in the presence of cuprous cyanide. Cuprous cyanide, the temperature of the substance is 250 degrees Celsius and the presence of pyridine catalyst. This copper will be directly linked with the chlorine. What do you get? Cupric chloride, CuCl, or cuprous chloride. What do you have in remaining? CuCN will be formed. The name of the compound is phenyl cyanide. Phenyl cyanide. Okay, now this is a very important. The reaction is carried upon only for reactions involving a halogen atom. Reactions involving halogen atom. There is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Generally, nucleophilic substitution reaction is not readily easily undergone. It having induced some temperature or pressure or the catalyst, that only is having for substitution reactions is possible. Next, we can change that reaction with the metals. This halogens, haloarenes react with the halogens generally react with the metals. We are taking the two reactions C6H5Cl. That is a chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene is a react with the sodium metal, and similarly for C2H5Cl, that is a ethyl chloride. One alkyl chloride and one aryl chloride. Generally, we are taking the reaction is in the presence of ether, and upon warm up heating, 2 chlorine atom on each reactant. So we are taking the sodium will be twice the times. So sodium react with the 2 chlorine atom. So 2 NaCl will be removed. So you can form a C6H5C2H5. This is a phenyl group. This is the ethyl group. Ethyl benzene. What's the name of the compound? Ethyl benzene. Ethyl benzene. But this is a Wurtz reaction. What is the Wurtz reactions? They are mixed with the haloalkanes with the alkyl halide. Two different halides taking with the metal, that is called a Wurtz-Fittig reaction. But a Fittig reaction is only a same halide, that is called a aryl halides. C6H5Cl, and similarly for sodium, similarly for Cl, C6H5. Both the chlorine you have taking, so you have twice the times of sodium. What do you get? The reaction will be in the presence of ether medium. So removal of 2 NaCl. The reaction is C6H5. The phenyl group will be a twice the time. So the product is called the biphenyl. So what is the name of the compound here? How can you write that in the structure formula wise? This is a benzene ring. This benzene ring is directly linked with the ethyl group. In biphenyl, this benzene ring is, this is a benzene ring. It is a structure of biphenyl compound. Structure of biphenyl compound. This structure of biphenyl compound. So very important reactions. What is the main things for this? Haloarenes generally react with the halogen atoms. Halogen atomோட என்னென்ன reactions அப்படினு பார்க்கறப்ப nucleophilic substitution reaction பார்த்தோம். அதுல நம்ம நிறைய nucleophiles add பண்ணோம். Depends upon the temperature variation, this product will be removed. Ammonia is form of aniline, cuprous cyanide in the form of phenyl cyanide, sodium hydroxide react பண்றப்ப you get the phenol compound. But Fittig reactions and Wurtz-Fittig reactions. Wurtz-Fittig reaction means mixing of 2 alkyl halides and mixing of 1 alkyl and 1 aromatic halides, and Fittig reactions both are aromatic halides. Thank you for watching this video, students.